The latest WHQL driver from Nvidia supports the Geforce GTX 1650 and the GTX 1660Ti video cards. It is available for download through the Geforce experience or manually from the Nvidia driver site. The new driver also offers updates for the older Geforce RTX 2080 GPUs. The number of G-Sync-compatible monitors is expanded with the release of Geforce 430.29 driver. G-Sync is a proprietary Nvidia technology that allows for a speedier rendering of images on the monitor. New monitors that had been certified by Nvidia as G-Sync compatible include models from Acer, Appen, Asus, Gigabyte, and LG. Acer and Asus still hold the most number of models certified for G-Sync. The Nvidia control panel software packed with the GPU drivers allows users to turn on G-Sync manually. People may, therefore, test the technology in their current monitors. The complete list of G-Sync certified monitors is available at Nvidia's site. The new 430.39 GPU driver also provides game-ready support for recent video game releases, particularly for Mortal Kombat XI, Anthem, and Strange Brigade. Nvidia has done this type of support for several popular games in the past. Its Geforce 416.94 driver release optimized settings for the video games Battlefield V, Hitman 2, and Fallout 76. What this means is that tons of man-hours are spent testing the drivers with the games. It is actually a collaboration between game developers and hardware manufacturers to ensure the smooth launch of new games and gaming hardware. In turn, user experience for new games is optimized. Bundled with the Geforce 430.39 driver are support for OpenGL 4.6 and Vulkan 1.1.99. These two are graphics API standards and are mainly the concern of game developers. For gamers, this means that games using open standards, in contrast to proprietary technologies, are also supported by the GPU. This release exposes 419 OpenGL extensions and 88 Vulkan device extensions for the Geforce RX 2080 and Windows 10. The new driver also includes software updates for Geforce Experience and Nvidia control panel, among others. It also addresses several hardware issues and includes a number of bug fixes. Finally, the new driver is ready for the next Windows 10 update scheduled to be rolled out next May 2019. The last Windows 10 update was released in October last year. It is compatible with WDDM 2.6, which is the latest Windows display driver model to be used this year. Again, this graphics driver architecture is more interesting for game developers. Its progress yields better graphics performance and stability, plus new graphics functionalities to enhance user experience. Included in the WDDM 2.6 is the variable rate shading functionality, which is a mechanism to allow allocation of rendering rates and power at varying rates on different sections of the image to be rendered. The end product will be a faster and more efficient rendering of the images on the screen.